Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV, the home of legit news on politics. And as usual, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with informate, we don't come with updates on the things and things where they happen for inside Edo State. The koko now we see the People's Democratic Party and their governorship candidates for the 2024 Edo State governorship election will be RI0USLY. They don't last close the case waiting for the table of the Edo State governorship election petition tribunal where they stand for inside Abuja, and they do all this level on Monday, will be the 3rd day of February for inside this year 2025. And as we all know, the PDP and their candidate will be RI0USLY. Based on say they don't like the way the election take play out, based on say they don't like the results wey INEC announced. They call it challenge their declaration of Senator Monday Okpeholo will be the candidate of the All Progressive Congress as the winner of the September 21st, 2024 governorship election for Edo State. And as we all know, the PDP and their candidates want make court declare say the declaration wey INEC make no make sense at all because they declare the wrong winner. Now my good people, before I begin yarn you about the drama we happen for inside the petition tribunal on Monday, make a sharply yarn you small details on how all this level they start. You know, say based on say INEC now can go make declaration say now the APC their candidates now win based on say they secure 291,667 votes, and they take defeat the PDP their candidate will be RI0USLY, we gather 247,655 votes. The petitioners now will be the PDP and their candidates the yarn. So the election now it no make sense. There was irregularities and INEC no comply with the Electoral Act because there was so much overvoting in many polling units, and even as there was overvoting, INEC officials no fit stop election for those polling units where overvoting come board, and this no be standard. Normally if they observe and say overvoting don't dey, men now don't turn up more than accredited voters, they go stop voting for that polling unit, but no, they no stop them on this occasion, which is very wrong. Some witnesses sef wey the petitioners then carry come even dey testify say that's not the reason why they refuse to sign the result sheet for some respective wards and polling units. So during the proceedings wey happen on Monday, the lead counsel of the petitioners can they inform Justice Wilfred Upochi wey dey lead the 3-member tribunal say like this now they don't ready to conclude their case, so based on say they are satisfied, they don't finish, they don't call all their witness. So with the testimonies of the witness, they believe say that is enough to prove say there was irregularities and INEC no comply with Electoral Act. And according to the petitioners will be the PDP and their candidates will be RI0USLY, they say no be even only the APC now even do the Mago Act, no be only the INEC self we even do am. Say this na collective effort something, then come together do am, and the people will come together now the ruling All Progressive Congress, the Independent National Electoral Commission, and security forces, that is police for inside Edo State. Now 3 of them now partner together to bring on board the Mago will happen for the Edo State election. No be small matter, my good people. Meanwhile, on the other side, the Independent National Electoral Commission can submit additional evidence for inside the tribunal, and this now can start another Gbos for inside courtroom. And no be lie, my good people, no sir, we don't give you reports concerning the last proceedings we happen for inside the tribunal. No say PDP be acquire something we can make the INEC come last submit Gbas machine we then use for the Edo State election come court. And now based on information we gather, we call the final say on that last proceedings, INEC no submit all of the Gbas machine. So when last they can tender 5 more bimodal voter accreditation system machines will be Gbas wey they use during the Edo State election, men mouth just open down in surprise. It in shock men, they don't know what to yarn. The counsel to the petitioner self can even the yarn say omo initially now 151 machines that they tell us say they involved in the election. So based on say 5 more don't enter, and now 148 now that we don't submit before, and based on say nobody saw this one coming, the respondents of INEC, the APC will be All Progressive Congress, and the governor Monday Okpeholo can they object to the new Gbas machine will come the tribunal. But even as they object, the tribunal last admits the 5 machines into evidence. But however, my good people, the respondents dem reserve the right to challenge the new Gbas machine in their final written addresses. So now the Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal, they don schedule Wednesday for the Independent National Electoral Commission to open their defence. That is, of all the witness now wey the petition don carry come. On Wednesday, na the INEC gas to come dey defend theirself. Meanwhile, the chairman of the People's Democratic Party for inside Edo State, wey be Anthony Azegbemi, him now don dey express concern sake of say when the 5 more Gbas machine come the tribunal, the respondents of INEC follow object to the matter, follow dey yarn say make the tribunal no admit the Gbas machines into evidence. So Oga Tony come dey yarn say if to say na the respondents of Senator Monday Okpeholo and the All Progressive Congress na object to the Gbas machine, he for understand, but he no understand why e be say INEC go dey object to their own documents being tendered in court. So im dey find this matter very strange, and this now dey give country people something to think about. Why would INEC oppose the documents wey dem certified to the petitioners being tendered in open court? Na you conduct election, you no want make country people or the court see the materials wey you take conduct election. Those kind levels now dey point out and say una to do mago-mago for the Edo State election. And normally, my good people, we all know say a clear conscience fears no accusation. But with the way INEC take perform for inside courts as they hear say 5 more Gbas machine don come board, that thing no make sense at all. E dey show say their hand no clean. E dey show say dem do dirty business for the election. So after every Oga Tony Azegbemi come dey express confidence in the judiciary. He now dey believe say the tribunal they go do the needful. They go fairly consider the evidence wey dey presented by the petitioners. And according to him, he say after all, most of the petitioners, their witness were coalition agents and ward agents. Those testimony now e dey focused on issues arising during the ward and local government coalition stages. So no be like say they just go pick men for streets, make they begin come dey yarn some kind levels wey they no true understand. They use men wey be say they know wetin they dey do, men wey even dey involved for the election, like come testify. So like this now, my good people, the next hearing go happen on Wednesday. Be rest assured say Anointed Lady TV go pass the information give the general public. But anyhow this informate be you for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make you drop am inside with comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like give una legit informate on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come, now you go first get the info and you go even receive am sharp. I dey come your side again with that legit news for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.